Hello, I thought I would do a quick little video. I'm testing out my new phone from Consumer Cellular. It's a Nokia C110, I believe. But what I'm really talking about today, to test this camera out and to tell you guys something, is about the wonders of a leaf vacuum. It might look like a leaf blower, and it can be used as a leaf blower, but right now I have it configured as a leaf vacuum. How this works, that's my air conditioner going off, sorry, is you hook up this bag. It unsnaps like that. This is made by a company called Works, but this is not an advertisement for them. Any brand will work as long as they sell replacement bags for them and they have a warranty that lasts at least 90 days. Any brand that will do that is fine. If they don't sell replacement bags, they don't offer a warranty, keep shopping. I made the mistake of buying one that did not offer replacement bags. I tried buying knockoff third-party bags on Amazon and was disappointed. They didn't even last a year before they fell apart too. And I'll show you how this works. You have a knob on the top. You turn that. That turns it on. It has two speeds. One, which I use most of the time, is capable of picking up small loose leaves that way. If I have a clump that's a little bit bigger or something that's kind of stuck down, that's not super loose, then I switch over to number two. And what it does is it sucks air in through the bag, bringing leaves along with it. Or no, sorry, it's I can't think right now. I'm sorry. It sucks air in through the nozzle, bringing leaves along with it. And then there are blades inside of there, metal blades in this case. Some brands have plastic blades. This one has metal. Metal is better. I've had one with a plastic blade before, and it got pretty boogered up from debris hitting it. This plastic cover comes off. I might do that here in a minute in a separate video. And then the excess air goes out the back past the motor to help cool the motor, and the leaves fall in through the grinder into the sack. And the sack expands, as you saw. The only bad thing about leaf vacuums is it's a dusty job. The dust does not stay in the bag. The dust comes through the sack, it pours, and then all over you. So then when you're done, you need to take a shower, unless you enjoy being covered in dust. Okay, I'm going to take this thing apart. Well, here, maybe I can do this. It actually is fairly easy. To show you how easy it is, let's do it one-handed. Well, I say it's easy. Never say something is easy when you're trying to show someone how easy it is. Then it's harder. You can see some of the inner workings there. That's some of the metal thing that spins around and grinds leaves up. It'll grind up small sticks too, but it makes a horrible noise. It makes you wonder if you're breaking it in the process. I tried to avoid doing that. Now, what you should do, of course, safety conscious, you should always unplug gadgets. Hold on. You should always unplug your gadgets before you work on them. I should have unplugged it before I took the bag off, but I'm distracted by trying to film this thing. Normally, I would unplug it first, and all you do is you push it on that button, and you rotate it around transformer style. It doesn't make the noise. Sometimes when I'm feeling a little bit silly, I go, I make the movie sound myself. Now it is in leaf blower mode. Now the air is going the other way. The motor is sucking air. Now I have it right. It's sucking air through the engine, through the grinder, and out through the nozzle. It works in reverse now. And I could turn it on, but well, I guess I can't. I was going to say we've all seen a leaf blower, but it is a little bit different. Hold on. A brief commercial break of a blurry picture of my worktop in my little outdoor shop here. Okay, here we go. Now she's in leaf blower mode. And she's quite powerful. She is maybe not the most powerful one on earth, but it's the most powerful one I've ever owned. You get the idea. But this is not the most expensive one out there, of course, because there are cordless ones with battery packs, but I don't like messing with battery packs. I find them to be a pain in the neck because they're never charged when you need them to be charged, it seems like. You know, and having them charging on the charging station all the time ruins them eventually. So I don't really mind dragging around a 100-foot cord and just plugging it in outside of my house. I'm fine with that. Makes them a lot lighter and a lot cheaper. I want to say this was like 180, $170, somewhere in there. Not too bad. Well, thank you for watching.